Hello everyone, welcome to the next episode in our product unboxing series. Today we are going to see about the Himi Pouring Acrylic Paint Set. Blossom theme. This set is specifically designed for acrylic pouring techniques. Each set contains 4 colors, measuring 2 ounces or approximately 59 ml each and one 15 ml bottle of silicone oil. The blossom theme contains 4 colors. The first color we are going to see is peach blossom. The paints can be mixed with silicone oil for optimal flow. And the next color we are going to see here is titanium white. Lemon yellow. And finally, violet. The paints are pre-mixed with pouring mediums to ensure optimal flow and blending. Artists can enjoy the freedom of creating abstract and visually stunning artworks by pouring, tilting, and manipulating the paint on the canvas. They are also available in desert, forest, and universe themed sets. Wow, just look at them. Beautiful, isn't it? So what are you waiting for? Grab yours on our website 2varts.com. Thank you.